Welcome back to our channel, where we provide solutions to common Windows 10 issues. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to fix the problem of games crashing in Windows 10. If you're tired of your games crashing and want a smooth gaming experience, let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Step 1. Open Windows settings by pressing the Windows key and the letter I simultaneously. Step 2. In the settings menu, navigate to Gaming and then click on Game Mode. Switch the toggle to the on position. By enabling Game Mode, you optimize your system resources for gaming, which can help prevent games from crashing. Solution 2. Step 1. Open the search box on your Windows 10 desktop and type Windows Security. Click on the app when it appears in the search results. Step 2. In Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection and choose Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Step 3. Under the Exclusions section, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Step 4. Tap on Add an Exclusion and choose Folder. Select the game directory from your PC. By adding the game directory as an exclusion, you ensure that Windows Security doesn't interfere with the game files, reducing the chances of crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to address the issue of games crashing in Windows 10 and enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions. We hope this tutorial was helpful in resolving the problem. If you found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 troubleshooting tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.